Alright, it's starting.
It's starting.
Remember you're taping this.
Well, yeah, give me a sec.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's gonna be hard to beat.
Your
Okay.
turn.
I can't burp. I wish I could do it.
It's not gonna be anything near
When
that.
someone says that they want a competition with me, they don't understand what they're getting into. I don't know.
I don't even have to burp now.
It's like too cold to choke.
Okay.
Good job.
Good night.
I never burp like that. Oh my god, I'm so proud.
Oh. But I swear.
Alright.
Damn it.
Dad's gonna come out and be like, what the hell?
You want one of these?
She's like, I thought you were joining in this.
Huh? Yeah, I thought I was, but it's not coming out.
Okay.
Now you're trying to fart instead.
That was good. Good.
Hey,
Good. I'd be clapping, but I
I
can't.
can't. I'm not gonna be able to burp You're not for another allowed. 4 days. Like that was. You're on my team.
Oh yeah, true. Be happy. I swear I'll never be happy again.
We listened to this on the bus ride.
On the way to SeaWorld.
To SeaWorld.
We
Ew!
He's like,
Nice.
and then I swallowed it. I mean,
Oh, I love you. Oh my
it
God.
tastes good still.
Everybody's.
All
You
you
gotta have
cats are
faith
just like,
in you.
yeah, no, it's not happening. Now, let me rip a fart.
Oh, she'll win.
I was about to say, I wish I have a farting competition with someone, but I can't.
I don't know. I can't like fart on spot though.
My dad can. I got him on video. I was like, Dad, I love you, and he rips up his leg and farts. And then walks away.
What were you guys talking about?